I'm back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box. Today we got an $800 box. This box came to me for $750, and it was $750. I'm tripping, yeah, $750 plus $50 shipping. So it was an $800 box. I believe this was $800 because I had two. One was $675 and this one was the $800. I try to open the most expensive boxes for y'all that I can grab. There was like a $1,200 or $1,300 box and went up too. I couldn't grab that one. You gotta be quick. We're gonna jump right in. I believe this was $750 plus $50 shipping on this box. See some good stuff right off top. Still trying to get my setup right. We're gonna do these Lucy's first. I've had these before. I couldn't remember the name of them. These are the Element 87s, I believe, Element Reacts. I want to say Desert or something like that. I think that's the nickname on these. I cannot remember at all. But pretty clean. These are size 9, no box, obviously. Man, when these shoes came out, I think at one point the Bone colorway, I think that was the name, was like considered the shoe of the year that these dropped. A lot of people considered it the shoe of the year back in 2018, 2019 era, I believe. Yeah, size 9 on these, not gonna spend too much time on them, no box. Good little workout shoe. Another no box. People be sleeping on these. We got the Gratitudes. No box on these either. Size of these. If I had to guess, I'm not even gonna try. These are a 10.5. Gratitudes 10.5, no box. Very, very clean. Check out the bottoms. These are clean. I would keep these for myself, but I have Concords. It's too similar for me to keep or need both of them. But yeah, size 10.5. Not a lot of creasing. Like I said in one of my other videos, you can tell how worn an 11 is by how much creasing it is right there in that toe box, right there in the inside corner. These are pretty solid. No complaints at all on these. Just no box. Could use a little wipe down, but overall, not bad at all. Size 10.5 on those. The rest of these shoes have boxes. Look like I got some drop case boxes. I don't have drop. They're not drop cases, but I got some clear cases in here. 8.5 Air Max Speed Turf. Oh man, these just came back out. These just got retroed again. Dion Speed Turfs. I might be tripping, but I think these had sold out in a lot of areas. The new release. This is the 2017, 2018 release. These are still clean. Size 8.5. This shoe was dope. I remember when these came out when I was a kid. These were fire. The Turf. Dion's clean. I think that's supposed to be the San Francisco 49er colorway. These are hard. For all the OG sneakerheads. Size 8.5. Very clean. This is my first time having this shoe in the hand. Got a lot of little details on it. Not bad. With the OG box and the eBay tag on it. Y'all like eBay authentication? At first I wasn't too big of a fan. I think they had like a couple of hiccups they had to get through, but hey, lately eBay's authentication progress situation has been A1. We got a New Balance size 12 in men's. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. Numeric Tiago Lemos 1010s. Anybody know what that means? I don't know. We have a New Balance here. A flat. This is like a flat. I don't know if this is a skater. This must be like a skate New Balance. These shoes are flat. Probably be good for squatting and deadlifting too. Check these out. I don't know the nickname to them. I'm not even gonna try. It's probably just a little throw-in pair. Probably not worth much at all, but these are very clean. Size 12. Make sure. Yeah, size 12 men's. Black with a gum bottom. Clean. Look like a skater shoe or some kind of CrossFit weightlifting shoe. How flat that bottom is. That's the vibe I'm getting from it. Very clean. probably not worth much at all. New Balance. I don't know what this is either. What we got here? This looks like a fan of some sort. Straya. I think that's the brand of these. Anybody know what these are? They got extra insoles that say acid drop on them. It's probably some skater stuff. I don't know nothing about these. They clean though. They look DS. They look pretty clean. Very clean. Size, I'll tell you what size. Not on size. These are a size 12 also. Probably a skater shoe. I wouldn't be surprised if the same person that sold them those New Balances threw these in there. Size 12. I'm gonna go ahead and leave them in the box. So I gotta go to the other unit. I got stuff sorted out by sizes in these units. We got an Air Max 95, 11.5 men, 13 women. Ooh, these are clean. Air Max 95. Very nice. Air Max 95 is a classic shoe. Man, that Volt color just pops on top of that black. These are very solid. Look like got hits of gray, black, and Volt in there. Bottom's a little dirty, but overall not bad at all. Still got the Nike on the inside. I'm not mad at that. We got 2 pair left. And this is what I was saying I thought was a drop from case. This is what we get now. Alright. We got some size 12 Jordan 1 Royals. You guys probably seen this shoe a million times, especially on my channel. Classic shoe, man. It sucks what happened to ones with them just bringing out so many different colorways. This is the 2016 release. It sucks, man. I remember wanting these shoes so bad, the Breads, the Royals, the Shadows, and yeah, these still have all the stars on the bottom too. Very clean, size 12. Won't even have to pay half of what you would used to pay for a pair like this, with the extra laces and no original box. Last one. Y'all could probably see through the box. Where was this shoe at 3, 4, 5 years ago when I wanted it so bad? We have a shattered backboard. Oh my gosh. Shattered backboard. I'm assuming these are a size 12 as well, but we're gonna be sure. These are size 12 also, shattered backboards. Yeah, you guys already know what's up with these. You guys already know what's up with these. Super good quality leather. And you know what's funny? I waited years to get these shoes in beater boxes, and then I think like 2 months ago, maybe 3 months ago, if you follow the for sale page, you probably seen them. I had a huge size 14 come in, and that was my first time owning a pair of shattered backboards, the 1.0s. But these are clean. I mean, they got some wear on them, but they ones. Almost like the more you wear them, the better they look. These are solid. Size 12. These still go for upwards of 3. I mean, these used to go for like a rack, but you still can get like 3, maybe 4 if you got the OG all and all that stuff. Size 12 on these. Second pair I've gotten in the last, I say 3-4 months, and I waited years to get these in boxes. But I think because they coming back out next year or this year, whenever all this stuff rumored to drop, is why I'm starting to see more and more. Like last box I had Gammas and all that stuff. When those shoes get retro and rumored to come back out, everybody start letting their other older pairs go. So of course they can re-up on the new stuff. This box was kind of interesting though. We got shattered backboards, we got Royals, We got some New Balance Gator weightlifting shoes or something. We got a Straya, I don't even know how to pronounce that brand. We got an Air Max 95. We got some Gratitude, some Element 87s. I can't remember what this one is. Oh, the Dion. It had a lot of stuff in it. I think this was a $7.50 box. I'm not mad at it. The backboards alone will cover half of the box. I got another box. It came also with this one, like I said, it was cheaper. I try to shoot the boxes that are the most expensive that I get for the week for y'all when I do have time to shoot. Make sure you guys go follow the for sale page on IG, because like I said, I got a bunch of other stuff in inventory that needs to go on that page. So if you following that page, you'll be all the way caught up. In the stories is where I posted all that, and then whatever don't sell in the story makes it down into the page. So you can scroll down that page. Everything that's posted is available. All the prices on there include shipping. I don't do international, but all the prices on there include the shipping. I think that's gonna conclude today's video. I hope I get this one out soon. Shout out to everybody who watched the last video. It did really well. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Shout out to my boy Nicholas out in North Carolina. Ordered the beater box. Loved it. He got like, I think it was a $1,500 box. And he got some heat in that box. So shout out to you. I appreciate each and every one of y'all who put your trust in me to build you a good quality box. I've been doing it for a few years now. So it's fun, man. It's fun. Everybody can win. I think that's gonna conclude today's video. Let me know what y'all think about the box down below in the comments. I'm gonna try to get another video out to y'all next week. I'm not gonna shoot the $675 box because I'm kind of crunched on time. But maybe if I get some higher end boxes next week, I'll be back. I'll be back. I'm trying to stay back consistent. Follow the for sale page at TI Sold for Sale. All the stuff, all the links down below. Appreciate y'all, man. Y'all stay blessed. I'm out. Peace.